Hello everyone and welcome back. As you can see, we have a project on the table. I got the excess sights sent to me for my Glock 19. I'm going to change those out. Those have the big orange front dot on them, so that's a definite thumbs up on that. I'm going to get rid of those plastic cheap Glock sights. The front sight shouldn't be any problem. The rear sight, I do have a sight pusher here. It's the NC Star sight pusher that I bought off Amazon, so I'm hoping that'll make it go easily. But we're going to change them out and then take a look at it. Alright, as you can see, we've got the new sights installed on the Glock 19. I'm really liking these. I got to get these out to the range. I've got them on, I've got them centered. I still got to get it out there, test it, see if I need to bump them one way or the other, or centered is good. I like that sight pusher, that really helped out. But these sights, I've got big orange dots on a couple of them, a couple of other pistols, and these are next level. These are easy to see, easy to acquire. I like these. If these are half as good out there on the range as what they are just looking at them in here, I'm going to have to get a lot more of these sights because I like these a lot. And here's a couple of SIGs with the big orange dot. I believe both of these sets are Trijicon. And as you can see, they both have a nice big orange dot on the front of them. But neither one of these is as fast and as easy to acquire as these excess sights. So I'm gonna take this out to the range, see how those do, and get my 200 in on this Glock 19. Once I get, do have a guide rod coming for it, so once I get that guide rod, I'll take this out to the range, see how these sights are, and we'll talk about them a little bit more.
Now you will feel the true power of the dark side.
Hi.